Hello from North Tyrone. Today under the spotlight is this Makita HR 2020 110 volt SDS plus hammer drill. I love these old hammer drills. You just never want to give up going, never want to lie down. If you look at the serial number, yes, you can't see it because it's worn away. With the naked eye you can just about see 04 in the date part of the plate there. So that drill is 18 years old and it's only just stopped going now. I just love these old hammer drills, they don't want to die. The good news about this old hammer drill is that it's not over for it yet. All it needs is a set of brushes, and there's 3 screws here at the back of the handle, and if you screw them out you get a drill. It's going to go for God knows how much longer. My lifetime, who knows. What was I doing 18 years ago? I wasn't fixing or attempting to fix ancient hammer drills in North Tyrone anyway. I don't think I'd rather be anywhere else today doing anything else. So 3 screws, like I say. Get them zipped out fast as I can. And you pull this cover off. All covers come straight off like that. And if you look closely, the brushes are on either side. And there's a, just hold that right up. See that? Push that up. You pull that out. You can see the brush has all but gone. I'll give you a comparison of new ones. And new brushes for this thing are £4.19 on eBay, so you can see the difference in the old and the new. So it's quite simple. And if you want to purchase for some, you have one of those, the brushes are gone, that's the part number. Anyway, slot that in there, slide that right in that slot, push it on down, clip it in. That's it in there. Do the same on the other side. You brush. Get in there. Get in there, my son. That's it. You screw the lid back on. Tighten up the screws. I'm going to pause for a second. Right, that's the 3 screws tightened up now. So, a new set of brushes and that. You have an SDS hammer drill hopefully for another 18 years. So if you liked that video, please visit my channel to see more and like and subscribe. Thank you.